Hi, I'm Linesh Pillai and I'm an urban farmer. I grow to eat and I'm going to teach you how to grow to eat on Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana, Growing to Eat.
Hi, hello, namaste. I'm Shalaka here and today I'm going to show you a recipe of a salad which is really quick. I'm having some sunflower seeds which I have activated and I'm going to use them.
One of my all-time favorites, sunflower microgreens. Nutty, crunchy, and I think they will very soon be a big part or a major ingredient in our salads.
Let's start making our salad. The first ingredient I'm taking is oyster mushrooms. I'm just going to cut it a little smaller because I surely don't want so big. I'll just keep it aside. The next ingredient I'm going to finish up with is my mandarin. I want mandarin segments. So as you can see, so this is how you get your segments. So as you can see, we have a few orange segments with us, or rather mandarin segments with us. So the next ingredients I have with me is cherry tomatoes. Well, actually I can just cut them into half. So as you can see, I have kept my mandarin and cherry tomatoes which I have processed. I'm keeping it aside and now I'll start tossing my oyster mushrooms. So here I have a pan. I'm switching on my flame. So on a low flame, I'm going to add some butter. Very less because the quantity of mushrooms what we have is really teeny mini. So as you can see, my butter is melted. I'm adding a few dried herbs to it. And here it goes, my mushrooms. I'm just going to toss it a bit. A pinch or rather salt to taste. Very little because your butter is also having salt. So that's it. Just toss it, put off your flame and set it aside. Let's start plating. I'm going to plate my salad into a square white plate and then the first ingredient to go is balsamic. The amount of dressing I have squeezed onto this, for a reason I'm not going to toss any of my ingredients of the salad into the dressing. So let's plate our mushrooms first. That's it. The next ingredient I'm going to put is my mandarin segments. I have already toasted those walnuts. The next ingredient I'm going to use are radish curls, then beetroot slices. Now as you can see, I've already done with my other components onto the plate. Let's put some of our sunflower microgreens. So let's put them onto a plate. So as you can see, my plate is almost done. One more ingredient which is left out is my multigrain bread slice. I'm not going to keep it whole. I'm just going to tear a few pieces, really small, which would go along with my salad. So here it is. My sunflower microgreen salad is ready for you.